Hey, my friends. Quick video. Uh, Boy, the video will speak for itself. I had something cool planned coming up for later this week, but well, you'll see. Watch the video. And yes, as you get to know me, I wear a lot of hoodies. So, um, watch the video, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks. So, as you can see, I'm walking down into my basement, and this is the first video that I took. There was only maybe like half an inch, maybe an inch of water at this point. There's one drain. I have 3 drains in the basement that water was coming up from all the rain. The city just couldn't keep up. There's another one there, and there's another one by the front. I don't know if I have that on camera, but what a horrible mess. I mean, everything you see there is probably garbage now. When this was all said and done, I probably, yeah, I was ankle deep. Probably had a good 3.5, 4 inches of water in the basement. So, like I said, I did have, well, here's the second video. There's another good inch of water. I did have another video planned for this week, but please bear with me. I know the channel just started, but I need to take care of this disaster. So we will talk soon. Another video will be coming. Thanks for the support, and I'll talk soon.